Hello?
Hi, Ayyan.
Yeah, hi.
Hi.
Hmm. You have REPL open and everything?
I will.
Okay.
You mean Python?
Yep.
Okay.
Still under REPL though, so still a REPL.
Yep, I got it.
Nice. Let's see if that other guy comes today. Did you manage to fill out the form?
Yeah, my dad did.
He did.
He did.
Okay. One sec. Alright. Cool.
Did you get it?
That's... I have to check that, but I can't check right now, so...
Oh, okay.
Did he fill it out recently or did he fill out previously?
Let me ask. Hold on. I'll check with dad and let you next week. I'll check with my dad and I'll let you next week.
Alright. Cool. What was the name of... Do you know the name of the other guy? Who was in the class for one day, I think.
So Haas,
Yeah,
I think.
cool. Maybe he'll show up, maybe he won't. But
Yeah.
if he does, it would be good. If he doesn't, that's still fine. Nice. Alright, cool. So if you have REPL open, and I don't know what's happening, maybe
Yep.
Suhas shows up, maybe he doesn't. I'm gonna go with the more relative chance that he doesn't, because it's been like, you've seen him once, I think.
Yeah. Should we wait for like a few more minutes?
Nah, sure, why not?
Okay.
Alright. I think we're good to start with the review portion. So if he shows up, at least the only thing he would have missed is the review portion.
Yeah.
So let's start. to create a new Python REPL.
Uh, I don't see a screen I on.
Yeah, I'm still creating the review.
Oh,
Okay. Did you by any chance notice when you created a Python REPL that had some random code in it?
I have no idea.
Alright.
Why?
Mine did, that's what I was asking.
Uh,
Alright. Where's hashtag? Hashtag. Comment and then multi-lined line comment. Then let's do conditionals. So there was x plus y, x minus y, x times y,
hey,
x
on.
divided by y. Yeah,
Is there a way
yeah,
you could make this a little bit bigger?
yeah, sure. This
Thanks.
good? What does this say? Yeah, is that
A
good
little bit
enough?
more. A little bit more, please.
Okay, this good?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay, cool.
Wait, Ion.
Yeah,
Can I just copy everything I did from last class and just put it in there?
it's only 13 lines, and I don't think we actually did most of these during last class. Like, the concepts were there last class, we just didn't do exactly this, so.
I think we did.
Yeah, we did something similar, we just didn't do exactly this. Plus, it's not too hard to do, so like, it's fine.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm. All right. All right. How you doing on the code?
I'm doing good.
All right. Just let me know once you're done.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see. All right. Let's see. All right. Did you finish the start code
No, and I'm having super difficulties right now.
with any lines in particular or what?
I like, let me show you. Can you let me share my screen?
Uh, all right. Sure.
Wait. So, wait, I said. So when I type here,
Mm-hmm.
when I like go go here,
Yeah.
and when I copy this,
Okay.
and now I paste it in here,
Uh-huh.
and I delete this,
Uh-huh.
and this should be
Yeah.
on number two.
I mean, yeah, the line numbers don't really matter, but
No,
okay.
no, no, but watch. Hold on. As I type, um, hold on.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, and now it was like pushing down automatically. I don't know why. but it's
Well,
better
that's
than
phantom code. It's not actually real. So if you
who's do
keep
who's doing this?
the built-in AI,
Why?
I don't know. I think the
Okay,
purpose was to make it easier to code, which works on large-scale operations, but this is not a large-scale operation.
okay. Ion,
Yeah,
I need to show you this.
what's wrong?
Is there a way you can fix this? Because I don't like that.
Have the AI not do? Oh, that from OS thing? I don't know what that is. I don't have it on my side. Just try deleting it and see what happens.
I, number love should be on number one, not number four.
I mean, that doesn't really matter again, but yeah.
Uh,
If you can run it and it still works, it should be fine. If you want to get rid of the import thing, just try deleting it
how do
and
I
then
delete this huge space?
try hitting the delete key.
The bad space?
No, delete. Specifically delete, not backspace. There's a
Okay,
difference.
perfect. Give me a minute, please.
Right. Should I go back to sharing?
Yeah, why not?
All right. Okay. Let's also write some if statements in here.
Okay, Ayan.
Yep.
I may or may not made a mistake.
Okay, what's wrong?
Um, I don't know. Can you let me share my screen?
Yeah, sure.
Do this.
What is with that stupid from OS import line separation?
Yeah, I know, right?
Uh, I don't. Okay, hold up. First, let's fix the errors, which I can do, and figure out what's done with this.
This stupid OS thing that's keep coming every time. Oh,
Okay. Then capitalization is important,
oh,
by the way. This line doesn't need to be put twice.
mm, mm. Hold on, mommy.
Waiting for it to run.
Yeah. Whoops, hold on. Oh,
Uh,
hold on, Ion.
there we
Yeah.
go.
Okay.
I don't know why you're not running.
Yeah, I know, right? Oh,
Looks
yeah.
like it's working. There you go.
Thanks. Oh, okay, thanks.
Alright, let me go back to my sharing.
Uh-huh. That and all this?
Uh, yeah, the if statements, I don't know what that is. Yeah, I just added a couple, like 6 more lines.
Do I need it or do I not?
Yeah, you should put it in.
That's a lot.
It's just 6 lines. It looks like a lot, but it's really not.
One, one, two, three, four, five. There's like 5 lines.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah.
One, six. Oh. I guess that other guy is not coming today.
Yeah, probably not.
Yeah.
Right, how you doing?
Good,
How how's the code going?
good.
All right.
Ayyan,
Yeah.
I'm getting a syntax error.
And what does it say?
I have no idea. Okay, can
What
you
does the syntax error say?
let me check. On line 15. Hold on, I think I found it. Hold on. Hold on.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, it's still showing line 15. Can you please fix it? Or help me at least fix it?
Well, yeah, but what is which line does that
15.
correlate to?
15.
Did you put a colon on the line before it?
Yes.
A semicolon or a colon?
The two dots, the two lines.
Okay, did you indent line 15?
What's that mean?
Like have a space between like I did?
Let me check. Yes.
You did both of that, alright.
Yeah,
What does the error say?
I have
Syntax
no.
error, what does it say?
Yes, in text error.
That's it, nothing else?
Yeah. Hey, let me share my screen.
Yeah,
Thing. Okay. Ugh, here it is.
well, you forgot all the if statements and the quotes are all messed up.
Oh, is there a way you can fix it?
Yeah, one sec. Alright, yeah, just give me a remote control. Oh, you already did. Alright, cool. Ah,
Are you tired?
I mean, it's like 5 p.m. here.
It's evening for you, right?
Yeah, I would say.
What time do you normally go to bed?
I don't know, like 1 a.m., 2 a.m.
In the morning?
Yeah,
What do you do? What do you do staying up late
watch YouTube videos.
all night?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, my mom
It's,
never would let me do that.
yeah, neither do my parents.
So then you should listen and go to bed, and you should.
Hmm.
Like I normally eat dinner by 8 and go to bed by 9.
Hmm.
When do you normally go to bed? What you gonna do then? Huh? What you gonna do then? What time did you get up?
What time did I get up? Like 10.
What time did you get up?
I'm on
I
break
know.
right now, so.
I normally get up by 6 or 5 a.m. in the morning.
Hmm. That's reasonable. Right
Yeah.
now I'm currently on I think that's like what, president's break or something? I don't know, but
Yeah,
we're
yeah, yeah,
on,
yeah.
yeah,
So when do you normally go to bed? Like what time?
on like a school day,
Yeah.
maybe like 11.
Or what about the holidays?
Then it doesn't really matter. I might have like stuff to do in the morning, but doesn't
Or
really matter when I go to sleep. All right, there we go. That should have fixed it. So let me go back to my sharing.
let me check. Nope.
Did you run it again?
Oh yeah. What's next?
All right, so now that we've done all
Mhm.
that, I believe we covered for loops. The only thing with for loops is that it's gonna have a similar thing with if statements, so I'm kind of concerned about doing it, but like, I'll get over it. Let's just try it. It's only 2 lines, so hopefully it won't be a big issue,
Uh-huh.
but who knows really.
Hmm.
So, yeah, so
Okay.
here, it's just these 2 lines, but the only issue is that you have to pay attention to parentheses and indentation.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Uh, Ion.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Error.
this- yeah,
All
yeah.
right. Error, what does the error say?
On line 20 and 19.
What line does that correlate on my screen?
Um, 21 and 22.
Is that the for loop again? Let me see.
Yeah.
Yeah, but what's the error saying?
It doesn't say it. I
It
don't
just says,
know.
well,
A
it did not say.
syntax. Syntax.
Syntax error? All right. Does it say what's missing?
No.
Doesn't say what's missing. Okay.
Wait,
That's interesting. Usually it does.
can you let me share my screen?
Yeah, sure. Right, so actually it does say what's missing. So if you see where it says indentation error,
Where? Yeah.
yeah, that's the error name. So
Um,
by itself, indentation error automatically tells a programmer that there's an error with indentation.
oh,
If it says syntax error, do we have a syntax error? No, we don't. Okay. When it says syntax error, let me know so I can tell you how to uh say what that actually is.
okay.
Cool.
Oh,
So in order to fix it, all you had to do was go to line 19 and then go to the front of the line and then
uh,
hit backspace.
okay. Yeah.
And that should have hit backspace again. Yeah, and then do the same thing for line 19.
19.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, wait, hold on.
Yeah. Just delete the extra space so it's flushed.
Lost. Okay,
There you go.
thanks. What's next? What am I
I
doing
need to
now?
remember what did we do next. While loops maybe?
Why loops?
I'm pretty sure we did while loops. I remember you calling it a forever loop.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do a while loop next. So we have our variable 14. We're gonna
Uh,
suck.
I
Yeah, we're
are,
gonna. Yeah.
you're not sharing your screen.
Oh, I knew that. All right, cool. So what we're
Yeah.
gonna do is make sure 14 becomes 0. And
Um,
what we're gonna do,
instead of calling it while loop, can I just type in forever loop on in there?
I mean, a while loop, first of all, is a forever loop.
Oh,
But the second thing is that there is no such, like, you can't really use a forever loop for this. Like, it's not Scratch.
oh,
So, yeah.
okay.
Anyway, like I was saying, we're just gonna make a loop so that we're trying to make the value of x. So I set my x to 14. Did you set it to 14 too?
Let me check. Actually, it's 20.
Okay, that's fine. It doesn't really matter.
Okay.
Uh, so all we need to do is make it so that we're trying to check if x is 0. That's all what this code's gonna do. It's just gonna keep subtracting 1 from x until it's 0. So in order to do that, all we
What do
have to
you,
do
what do you mean?
is,
What do you
huh?
mean? What do you mean?
The x is 14 in my case, right? So we're
Huh?
going to keep subtracting 1 from x until it's equal to 0. So we're gonna go 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 0. But I don't think it'll print 0.
Why?
Just the way that we formatted it. The
Oh,
only thing I'd recommend we do between this is like a divider, because this prints numbers and this prints numbers. So there we
okay.
go. Now you can tell which part's which. So you can see 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
But what about
0.
um no, hold on. What about this one?
Hmm?
Like like these numbers here. What's my God?
Which numbers?
Um
Those numbers, those are from the for loop.
oh,
Yeah, 1 to 9 was from the for loop. Those random numbers up here, these were from these print statements. And then these numbers are from this while loop.
okay, I have a question here. Um what's okay. What does what does all this stand for? What's
So well, we have X and Y, so we're just, the first line was adding the two together, first, second line was subtracting the two, third line was multiplying the two, and then the fourth line is dividing 14 by 22. That was it.
the division?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's about it. Yeah.
okay.
How do I? Yeah, there we go. All right, here we go. Maybe this is, yeah, there we go. Don't forget the divider, it'll make it easier.
To separate it out.
Yeah, it'll make it easier to look at and everything.
Okay.
Alright, did you finish the code?
Almost.
Alright.
Do I have to use the same number as I did for number two?
Which number? For what?
Number two. When I wrote x equals to 20, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do I have to write it in line number 21?
For you can use any number for the for loop.
Okay.
I did the one, it should be one comma some number. So I did 1 comma 10, but you could do like 1 comma 20. But you
Okay.
should always start with the one because otherwise it would start from a weird starting point.
Okay. Ayyan,
Mm-hmm.
error,
Alright, what's the error say this time?
syntax,
Alright, what does it say after syntax?
a colon,
Then you're
but
missing a colon.
but it didn't say where.
Did it not say which line?
Yeah.
It didn't say which line?
Yeah, it did not.
Did it at least point at which line? Usually it does that.
No, it didn't.
Wait, so the error should be a the line that has the error should be above where it says error. Does it not say any line? It just has error.
Oh, 21.
Yeah, then then that means that you're missing a colon on line 21.
Okay. Let me try that again. Okay. It's not. It's still showing me a file. Ever.
It's showing you a file error.
Yeah. Here, let me see my screen.
Okay.
Here you go. I did remote control access.
Well, yeah, there's two main things wrong with that line. First of all, the while loop should not be indented like that. So unindent that.
Okay.
Um, by unindent I mean go to the front of line 21 and hit delete.
Oh, yeah. Uh, what's next? Paper. Yellow.
All right. So then
Yellow.
the second part of the error
Oh,
was that your colon is at the wrong place. So it's actually supposed to be at the other part, not.
yeah. Wait a minute. By the way, we have
Hmm.
question.
What happened?
I have a question.
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Do you have a dog?
A dog?
Yeah.
No.
Do you have
Why'd
any
you
pet? Do
ask?
you
No,
have
you don't
any
have any.
pet?
No, not at all.
Because I heard a dog in your house.
No, we don't. No.
I heard a dog ruffing noise in your house.
You mean the wind coming outside my window at Mach 4?
No, a dog in your house.
Nah, we don't have any dogs.
I thought I heard a dog ruffing in the house.
I think I think what you might have heard is that right now I'm next to a window. It's extremely windy outside, and it might have it sounded like a dog.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
Okay, what's next?
So the colon is in the wrong place.
Where is okay, where should I put it?
Because first of all, actually the parentheses are in the wrong place.
How about you
Forget
do it? How about you do it? Because I don't know where you're saying it.
the while loop. Talk about the while loop.
Here, I do have remote control. So that says you can do it.
All right, so like
Uh-huh.
here, that should go here, and that should go here,
Uh-huh.
and then this should get deleted, and that should put there.
Can you take it out? Yeah.
That should be about it.
Hey. Okay. Let me delete this mama. Okay, what's next?
Let's see. So let's see. We did for loops. What else? Let me see. So after while for loops, while loops,
Oh,
I guess we can do functions. Functions would be pretty interesting to do.
oh, by the way, Ayan,
Hmm.
tell your mom I said I'm sorry I texted her.
My mom.
Yeah.
What's her name?
I don't know. It started with the letter T.
Tanvir?
Yeah.
That's my dad, but okay.
Oh, that's it. Oh my God. Tell him I said sorry.
Alright, cool.
I was
Anyway,
supposed to, I was supposed to text my other teacher's mom, but I couldn't find him. Find
uh,
her. Oh, okay. Never mind. What are you doing?
alright. So let's see here. So I'm gonna teach you about functions.
Uh-huh.
So let's say I have this code here.
Uh, um,
So let's
yeah.
say I have this code and it's being repeated a bunch of times,
How many do you want it to repeat?
like this, okay?
Okay.
So instead of typing all of this out, instead, let's say I wrote print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, okay? So instead of writing 20 lines of code, you can do a function that looks like this. So now instead of writing that same line multiple times, you can just use this line. So now look, again, I'm gonna use a divider because
Uh-huh.
numbers don't go with numbers.
Yeah. What happens if they do talk to that dog?
I mean, it'll just look ugly, so that's about it. Yeah, so now you can see I condensed it.
Oh,
That's all a function really does.
oh. Do I have to do all this?
It's I mean, you don't have to copy it this many times. I think this many times should suffice. But yeah, just lines 27 to 34. That's like 5 line, no, not 5 lines, 7 lines.
Okay.
All right, how you doing?
Good.
Code almost finished or what?
Maybe.
All right, did you finish with the lines of code yet?
Almost. Hey, Ayaan,
Mm-hmm.
I accidentally deleted the console. Is there a way for me to get it back?
What happened? Oh, you deleted the console? Okay. Uh, Wait, did you delete the console or no?
I did. I
Okay,
was
well
supposed to
that's,
hit the trash can, but accidentally deleted the whole thing.
yeah, no. Wait, did you delete the console or the code part?
Console.
So the code's still there, right?
Uh, maybe?
Do you see where your code is or no?
No. Here, let me share my screen.
Alright.
Here.
Well, that's your shell. So your code's on the left. So you do see your code. In order to get your console back, just do plus. You see that plus sign next to where it says shell?
Here.
You just click that
Oh,
and
okay.
then type in con
Yeah.
and then yeah, there you go. Just click console.
Okay. How did I put your console here and your shelf here?
I mean, you can flip it just by dragging it.
It's not running it.
Like drag the window in front of the shell window.
Can you do it? I do not.
But it's just this. You drag this window in front
Oh,
of it.
uh, how did I remove this black line?
You just
Okay.
click.
So what else
Alright. Yeah, so before you leave, I'll just send the invite link like I normally do.
for what?
The REPL. You can see my code.
Oh,
Uh,
really?
In case you need it, I always do it, but sometimes I forget. I'm pretty sure I've done it for all this entire time for all the classes, but yeah.
No, you did not.
Oh, okay then.
Okay.
Alright, so there you go. Just in case you want to see my code, there it is.
Okay.
And if you have any questions, then like feel free to ask. Otherwise, you can go.
How do I save it?
It'll automatically save.
What? It did?
Mm-hmm. It won't tell you, but it automatically saves.
So like when I do this, right? And then press.
Don't hit deploy. Just it'll
Oh, oh.
automatically save.
How do I do that?
Uh,
Oh no.
just do Control Shift W.
Okay. Control
That should
Shift
close everything.
W.
There you go.
Not everything. I just want to close that.
Yeah, but if you only close that, then it would have just reappeared on the other REPL.
So you're saying that if I go here, which one is it? Is it this one right here?
I just see your messages. I don't see the screen.
Oh, you don't?
Yeah, you're not sharing your Google.
Oh. How about now?
Yeah, now you are. You just want to click Sachi's code and that's what it is.
It's still showing deployed.
Just click X on the deployment video or yeah, window.
This came up. How
Then
do
go to
you?
console.
All right. Okay, thanks, Ayyan. I'll see you next class.
Yep, bye.
Bye.